All over the country right now, long lines are seen at COVID testing sites as the Omicron variant spreads like wildfire. Right now, the U.S. is averaging about 200,000 COVID cases a day. And while people wait in line, thousands aren't even able to get tests due to them being out of stock almost everywhere. Even though breakthrough cases are becoming more common, only about 15% of adults in the U.S. are not vaccinated. And having said that, News 4's Danielle Jackson spoke with two people who recently tested positive and spent their holiday recovering from the virus.
I was at work and I had started developing a little cough and a little bit of uneasy feeling, abdomen pain, all common signs of the virus.
Spending the holidays ill was not a part of Madeline Fleming and her boyfriend Bronson Lee's plan this Christmas.
I did start feeling symptoms around Christmas Eve, but I didn't really get hit hard with symptoms until yesterday. So
both tested positive for COVID-19 last week.
when he started experiencing symptoms and tested positive, I was like, it's only a matter of time. And so that day, my throat is what started hurting at first. It was like I felt it all the way into my ear. Really had the flu-like symptoms, so chest pain, coughing, high fever. My fever didn't hit 100, but I had a fever around 99.9.
After 2 days of feeling sick, Bronson says he's now feeling better, but Madeline still had symptoms.
My head hurt. I had a migraine most of the day, and I just kind of laid in bed, and my chest really hurt, but I didn't have the high fever. I wasn't having labored breathing or anything like that.
Data from the Center for Disease Control shows more than 2,200 cases in Davidson County over the last 7 days, which is up 136%. Health experts encourage those who are infected to isolate and monitor their symptoms. For Madeline and Bronson, both are fully vaccinated and had plans to get the booster, but unfortunately contracted the virus beforehand. Their advice to others is to get the vaccine if they can and get tested if you're feeling sick.
I work in healthcare, so people getting their vaccines is super important.
I would say if you're feeling sick at all, just go get a test, because it's different. And even though we're vaccinated, we still both got it. And so, we know vaccines aren't 100%, but I do believe having the vaccine did help with our symptoms.
In Nashville, I'm Danielle Jackson, News 4 Nashville.